have another name server tutorial, and in this case it will be about lcn.com. Great domain name and a great service actually. And another thing, this is one of those websites where you can go and find amazing, like really fabulous offers on domain names, selling them under the price. Under the prices what you will see elsewhere. One of the ways how I have heard how LCN is explained is low cost names. This might be the explanation or not. So lcn.com, and let us go and see how to change the name servers. So I've done few things. I have purchased the domain name, and I have purchased the domain name vts.com at LCN. And the process was super easy. And let me go make the screen smaller, remove the thing. And so the first things first, log into your account. Very simple. You would log into your account. Now go here to your name, online control panel. It's quite simple. And we can see this is the panel. If you don't see, so up here I already have vts.com. If you have more domain names, then go to services, domains and services, choose the domain name of yours. Again, click on your domain name, go down here and change the name servers. Before I go up here, let's check. So what happens after you buy a domain name at lcn.com? So after you buy a domain name at lcn.com, the default name servers are ns0 lcn.com, ns1, and ns2 lcn.com. And a website returns like this. It goes directly to their main website. So what we need to do is change the name servers. And now we are here where you see an options where you can put in up to 4 name servers. This is actually great. So you would go into your StackCP panel. Here on the bottom, you will see, so until the name servers are not changed, you will see here the name servers 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and always also on the bottom, on the sidebar, also here ns1, stack DNS, ns2, ns3, ns4. So up here we do ns1, ns2, ns3, ns4, update, and that's it. That's simple. Really great service. Very simple. And this is how you update the name servers at lcn.com. And if you wish to check how the name servers are propagating or changing globally, please remember this is a global process. And beautiful notification text, and it says please allow 12 to 48 hours. So remember that there are lots of tens of thousands of independent servers that take care of the name server propagation, the global name server propagation, and we can see that. Okay, and this is the tool dnschecker.org. Once you have changed the name servers, just go here, and here you will be able to follow slowly follow. At the moment we don't see stack DNS name servers, but with time these will start appearing. Usually this process takes 2 to 4 hours, though in some cases it can take up to 2 days. That's it, and if you have any issues, please open a support ticket at hostmaria.com. Have a great day.